Good day everyone. For today, let me share with you on how to uninstall application in your desktop. So kindly search add or remove programs, and then once you already search it, kindly look for apps and features, and then you will see here all your applications. Now, once you already see the application that you want to uninstall, so just click it. So let's say, okay, let me look for an application. Okay, so let's try this solitaire and casual games. Let's say I want to uninstall this. Just click that and then click uninstall. Then uninstall once again. Then let us wait until it was already uninstalled. Uninstalling. So it's uninstalled already. And then it's already uninstalled. You can find it already in your applications. So that's it for our tutorial.